where shadows rest. Each stone I climb, a holy test. The winds some low, the trees confess. Each breath I take one less. Zion steps one by one, closer now, the race is run. Zion steps, feel the ground, every soul, every sound. A river flows where the wise men drink. The stars align, make you stop and think. The road is rough, but the heart is steel. Every scar, a truth revealed. Zion steps one by one, closer now, the race is run. Zion steps, feel the ground, every soul, every sound. Oh, the earth will quake, the sky will cry, but the spirit climbs, it will not die. Roots of ages, deep and wide, hold my soul, let it glide. Dusty road beneath my feet, sun above a burning heat. Many miles I gotta go, seeds of wisdom I will sow. Sacred steps, each one a prayer. Sacred steps, burdens I bear. Sacred steps, to the top I will climb. Sacred steps, redeeming in my time. Shadows long the path unrolled, searching for my weary soul. Ancient voices in the breeze, whispering forgotten pleas. Sacred steps, each one a prayer. Sacred steps, burdens I bear. Sacred steps, to the top I will climb. Sacred steps, redeeming in my time. Redeeming in my time. No mountain too high for me, no river too wide you Sacred steps. To the top I will climb. Sacred steps. Redeeming in my time. Redeeming my time. She walks where the sun never fades away. Her crown is wisdom, her steps never stray through valleys of shadow. Her light will stay. Selassie's daughter, rise and lead. Plant the roots, sow the seed. Truth and fire, words we need. The earth turns slow, but her vision is fast. Her spirit eternal, no future, no past. She whispers of freedom, a love that will last. Oh rise, her voice is calling. Oh rise, no chains, no falling. Selassie's daughter, rise and lead. Plant the roots, sow the seed. Truth and fire, words we need. Ooh. She speaks in rivers, she speaks in trees. Her words are the wind, her songs the seas. With every breath, she sets hearts free. Sister, rise, the sun is calling. Through the clouds, a light is falling. Roots are strong, but the world keeps stalling. Feet in the soil, hearts in the sky. Sister, rise, no time to deny. Rise up, sister, and rise up tall. When the mountains whisper, hear the call. Rise up, sister, and rise up bold. Fire in the heart, wisdom untold. The rivers flow, but the stones remain. Lessons carved in joy and pain. Every seed we sow breaks the chain. Sister, rise in the face of rain. Stand like a tree through the hurricane. Oh sister, oh soul, carry the weight, let the story unfold. Oh sister, oh light, hold the fire through the darkest nights. Up sister, and rise up strong. Dance to the rhythm, right every wrong. Rise up sister, and rise up true. The world is waiting, it's calling you. higher now. Chains of thought keep me low, but that new rhythm starts to grow. Spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Sunrise paints the mountain gold. Stories whispered ages old. Inner fire burning bright, guiding me through the longest night. Oh, spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Every breath of prayer sent out. No more fear, no more doubt. Feet on earth, eyes above, filled with universal love. Spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Make me whole. Make me whole. The wind it whispers through the trees so high, a voice unseen but it knows the why. It bends the rivers, it shapes the land, invisible wisdom in its mighty hand. Oh, the wind of liberty, it sets me free, carries my soul to where it's meant to be, blows through my heart like an ancient key, unlocking the truth that's inside of me. It moves the clouds, but it stands so still. A silent guide with an endless will. No eyes to see it, it sees it all. From the mountains peak to the sparrow's call. Can you feel it now? It's in your chest. The breath of life that never rests. Oh, the wind of liberty, it sets me free, carries my soul to where it's meant to be, blows through my heart like an ancient key, unlocking the truth that's inside of me. Blow in, blow where the spirit flows, through the highs and the lows. Only Jah knows. It speaks no words, but it speaks so clear. The voice of love only hearts can hear. A woman of Zion, you rise so tall. A tree of wisdom in a forest so small. Roots run deep through the earth, you know. Branches stretch where the winds dare to go. Woman of Zion, your spirit won't break. Through the fire and storm, you never forsake. Oh, woman of Zion, you're the soul of the land, rising strong with the sun in your hand. You carry the river in the curve of your smile. The rhythm of the ocean beats in your style. A mountain's patience in your steady gaze. The stars align in your quiet praise. Teach the world what it means to stand with love as your weapon and truth in your hand. Woman of Zion, your spirit won't break. Through the fire and storm, you'll never forsake. Oh, woman of Zion, you're the soul of the land, rising strong with the sun in your hand. You're the drumbeat of life in the darkest hour, the rain that falls to awaken the flower. Wisdom flows like rivers from your soul. Oh, woman of Zion, you make the broken whole. Sunrise, crimson fire, burning up the dew. Ancient voices calling higher, whispering something new. Roots run deep, earth crying, feel it in your soul. Lion heart still trying to make the broken whole. Oh, Zion breeze blowing through the trees. Whisper wisdom soft and low, where the spirit frees. Oh, Zion breeze, bring us to our knees. Humbling every thought you know, planting righteous seeds. Concrete jungle rumble never can contain the spirit of the humble, washing through the rain. Babylon a fallen, hear the ancient plea. Freedom bells are calling for all humanity. Oh, Zion breeze blowing through the trees. Whisper wisdom soft and low, where the spirit frees. Oh, Zion breeze, bring us to our knees. Humbling every thought you know, planting righteous seeds. No chain can bind, no wall can stand. A truth so kind across the land. One love, one name, one sacred fire. Calling your name, rise even higher. Way, oh, Zion breeze blowing through the trees. Whisper wisdom soft and low, where the spirit I feel a gentle whisper, yeah, my spirit thrill. Ancient rhythm beats a drum inside my soul still. The city walls are crumbling down, I feel the Zion chill. Zion calling, calling loud and clear. Shake off the dust, my brothers, no more fear. Zion calling, a new day is here. Break every chain, my sisters, wipe every tear. Concrete jungle dreams just fade to gray. Too many lost their reason, gone astray, searching for a truth to light their way. But the guiding star shines bright today. Zion calling, calling loud and clear. Shake off the dust, my brothers, no more fear. Zion calling, a new day is here. Break every chain, my sisters, wipe every tear. One love, one heart, one destiny. From every mountain, every sea, freedom rings for you and me. Eternity, sweet harmony. Zion calling, calling loud and clear. Shake off the dust, my brothers, no more fear. Zion calling, a new day is here. Break every chain, my sisters, wipe every tear. Ooh. Ooh. Fire rise, fire glow, fire burn the night. Wisdom dances in the embers bright. Ancient truths in the smoke take flight. Every spark a story, every flame inside. Every flame inside. Zion flame, keep burning strong. Light the path where we belong. In your warmth we sing this song. Zion flame, carry us along. Roots dig deep where the rivers flow. Branches reach where the spirits know. Time bends softly where the breezes go. Eternal echoes from the fire below. Ashes speak the words of old. Silent secrets, wisdom told. Zion flame, keep burning strong. Light the path where we belong. In your warmth we sing this song. Zion flame, carry us along. truth that will not cease. Through the shadows, through the storm, Zion flame will keep us warm. Whispering truths of a brighter day. Zion rain, fall down on me, cleanse my soul, set my spirit free. Zion rain, pour endlessly, feed the earth, grow the tree. Seeds of hope in the soil of time. They rise, they fall, but they still climb. A river flows where faith begins. Through the cracks of doubt, it always wins. Oh, the sky speaks in tongues of light. Oh, the earth drinks through the night. Zion rain, fall down on me, cleanse my soul, set my spirit free. Zion rain, pour endlessly, feed the earth, grow the tree. Oh, 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 drops of truth, they heal the blind. A rhythm eternal, no man can bind. Chains dissolve when the rain appears, washing away the weight of fears. Through the valley of shadows, I walk so slow. a timeless plan. Zion rise, oh Zion rise, lift your eyes to the endless sky. Zion rise, oh Zion rise, through the fire the spirit flies. Echoes of the prophets in the air we breathe, wisdom in the roots and the ancient leaves. Every seed we plant is a dream we weave. The future's born when the past believes. Ooh, the mountain calls where the sun won't set, a path of gold where my feet have met, through valleys deep where shadows rest. Each stone I climb, a holy test. The winds some low, the trees confess. Each breath I take one less. Zion steps one by one, closer now, the race is run. Zion steps, feel the ground, every soul, every sound. A river flows where the wise men drink. The stars align, make you stop and think. The road is rough, but the heart is steel. Every scar, a truth revealed. Zion steps one by one, closer now, the race is run. Zion steps, feel the ground, every soul, every sound. Oh, the earth will quake, the sky will cry, but the spirit climbs, it will not die. Roots of ages, deep and wide, hold my soul, let it glide. Sacred steps. To the top I will climb. Sacred steps. Redeeming in my time. Shadows long the path unrolled, searching for my weary soul. Ancient voices in the breeze, whispering forgotten pleas. Sacred steps, each one a prayer. Sacred steps, burdens I bear. Sacred steps, to the top I will climb. Sacred steps, redeeming in my time. Redeeming in my time. No mountain too high for me, no river too wide you see. Inner fire burns so bright, guiding me through darkest nights. Sacred steps, each one a prayer. Sacred steps, burdens I bear. Sacred steps, to the top I will climb. Sacred steps, redeeming in my time. Redeeming my time. She walks where the sun never fades away. Her crown is wisdom, her steps never stray. Through valleys of shadow, her light will stay. Selassie's daughter, rise and lead. Plant the roots, sow the seed. Truth and fire, words we need. The earth turns slow, but her vision is fast. Her spirit eternal, no future, no past. She whispers of freedom, a love that will last. Oh rise, her voice is calling. Oh rise, no chains, no falling. Selassie's daughter, rise and lead. Plant the roots, sow the seed. Truth and fire, words we need. Ooh. She speaks in rivers, she speaks in trees. Her words are the wind, her songs the seas. With every breath, she sets hearts free. Since sunrise, the sun is calling. Through the clouds, the light is falling. Roots are strong, but the world keeps stalling. Feet in the shame. Sister, and rise in the face of rain. Stand like a tree through the hurricane. Oh sister, oh soul, carry the weight, let the story unfold. Oh sister, oh light, hold the fire through the darkest nights. Up sister, and rise up strong. Dance to the rhythm, right every wrong. Rise up sister, and rise up true. The world is waiting, it's calling you. Sister, arise, you're the voice of all. Concrete shoes weigh me down, down. Spirit wants to fly higher now, now. Chains of thought keep me low, low. But that new rhythm starts to grow, grow, grow. Spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Sunrise paints the mountain gold, gold. Stories whispered ages old, old. Inner fire burning bright, bright, guiding me through the longest night, night, night. Oh, spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Every breath of prayer sent out. No more fear, no more doubt. Feet on earth, eyes above, filled with universal love. Spirit step now, take me high, feel the rhythm flow. Touch the sky, yeah, spirit step, yeah. Free my soul, make me whole. Make me whole. Make me whole. spirit flows through the highs and the lows. Only Jah knows. It speaks no words, but it speaks so clear. The voice of love only hearts can hear. Tree of wisdom in a forest so small. Roots run deep through the earth, you know. Branches stretch where the winds dare to go. Woman of Zion, your spirit won't break. Through the fire and storm, you never forsake. Oh, woman of Zion, you're the soul of the land, rising strong with the sun in your hand. You carry the river in the curve of your smile. The rhythm of the ocean beats in your style. A mountain's patience in your steady gaze. The stars align in your quiet praise. Teach the world what it means to stand with love as your weapon and truth in your hand. Woman of Zion, your spirit won't break. Through the fire and storm, you never forsake. Oh, woman of Zion, you're the soul of the land, rising strong with the sun in your hand. You're the drumbeat of life in the darkest hour. The rain that falls in the flower, wisdom flows like rivers from your soul. Oh, woman of Zion, you make the broken whole. so kind across the land. One love, one name, one sacred fire. Calling your name, rise even higher. Way, oh, Zion breeze, blowing through the trees. Whisper wisdom soft and low, where the spirit frees. Oh, Zion breeze, bring us to our knees. Humbling every thought you know, planting righteous seeds. Sunrise burning golden red on Mystic Hill. I feel a gentle whisper, yeah, my spirit thrill. Ancient rhythm beats a drum inside my soul still. The city walls are crumbling down, I feel the Zion chill. Zion calling, calling loud and clear. Shake off the dust, my brothers, no more fear. Zion calling, a new day is here. Break every chain, my sisters, wipe every tear. Concrete jungle dreams just fade to gray. Too many lost their reason, gone astray. Searching for a truth to light their way, but the guiding star shines bright today. Zion calling, calling loud and clear. Shake off the dust, my brothers, no more fear. Zion calling, a new day is here. Break every chain, my sisters, wipe every tear. One love, one heart, one destiny. From every mountain, every sea, freedom rings for you and me. Eternity, sweet harmony. Zion calling, calling loud was wrong. Whispering truths of a brighter day. Zion rain, fall down on me, cleanse my soul, set my spirit free. Zion rain, pour endlessly, feed the earth, grow the tree. Seeds of hope in the soil of time. They rise, they fall, but they still climb. A river flows where faith begins, through the cracks of doubt. It always wins. Oh, the sky speaks in tongues of light. Oh, the earth drinks through the night. Zion rain, fall down on me, cleanse my soul, set my spirit free. Zion rain, pour endlessly, feed the earth, grow the tree. Drops of truth, they heal the blind. A rhythm eternal, no man can bind. Chains dissolve when the rain appears, washing away the weight of fears. Through the valley of shadows I walk so slow. drums beat true, like a timeless